Step 1. Copy the ClickBank affiliate link. Step 2. Paste your link here to promote the ClickBank product. Step 3. Get free traffic like this, and it's possible to get results like this. I will show you the exact steps you must do, give you free websites, and importantly, how to promote product without getting banned. I will also share with you a way to automate ClickBank product promotions so that you can also start making money with ClickBank affiliate marketing without a website with free traffic. The first step is get the affiliate link. So log in to ClickBank and go to Marketplace. You can see here there are plenty of categories to choose from. If you are new to ClickBank affiliate marketing, I suggest you choose a product from the most profitable niches. They are the make money online, health and fitness, and the relationship categories. For the purpose of this video, I will use spirituality new age category. On the right side, you can see there are plenty of products you can promote. So how do you know which product to promote? Here is the first bonus tip to maximize your affiliate commissions. Look for products with gravity between 80 and 150. Gravity, simply put, is how many different affiliates are making sales from that product. That's important for you as a ClickBank affiliate because the more different people are making money from that product, that really shows that it's a proven winner. Let's select this product as an example. You will make $43.85 just from one single sale. So if your goal is to reach $100 a day, you only need 3 sales. Keep watching with the free traffic source I'm about to show you, and with this amount of views, even if 1% of people buy, you can make money without a website with free traffic. To get the affiliate link, click on this promote button. You can put any value here. It will help you track every time someone clicks on your affiliate link. Or you can also leave it blank. Then click on create hop link and you will get the affiliate link. This is the link that you need to get traffic to. When someone clicks on this link, it will go to the sales page, and if they make a purchase, you will earn a commission of $43 absolutely free. Now the second step is an easy copy and paste method. So you don't need to create your own content. There is a free website you can use. Can you please give this video a like, and I will show you that website next. By using this website, you can download any of these absolutely free. Here you can search for an ebook related to the product you're promoting. For example, let me type this and you see several ebooks that you can download for free. Let's select this one. On this website, you see several download buttons which are related to ads. To actually download, you need to scroll down to this button and click this. Then you will get an ebook like this. Step 3 is to add your affiliate link to the ebook. You can do that with free PDF tool like this. Here is the second bonus tip to get people to click on your affiliate link. Add a compelling call to action. For example, something like this. Basically, add a text that will intrigue the reader to click on this link so that they will visit the sale page of this particular product. So while they are reading about the topic, you can promote the related affiliate product, and since everyone is interested in this niche, this is why they are reading this ebook in the first place, there is a high chance that those people will click on the affiliate link you added. They will want to view that product, and the more clicks you get, the more people that go to the sales page, the more chances you have of getting a sale and making affiliate commissions with free traffic. So add different types of call to actions with your link. Simply repeat this every 5 pages or so and try out different text colors and backgrounds. This will give a good chance of getting as many clicks as possible, and the more clicks you get, the more chances you have of making a sale, and the more chances you have of earning money from ClickBank affiliate marketing without a website. Once you are done, download the edited PDF. Now we come to the most important step, getting traffic to your affiliate link. Most people that do ClickBank affiliate marketing with free traffic don't get sales. So they make $0. This is what you need to do to get people to buy from your affiliate link so that you can actually start making money. You need to promote the ebook you just edited to people that are already interested in that subject. In this example, I need to promote these people to who are interested in manifestation. So, where do you find these people? Keep watching. I will show you the manual way first and then how I managed to automate this process without getting banned. There are many free methods to promote ClickBank products without a website. What worked for me is Facebook groups. No, you don't just directly share your affiliate link and don't spam. This is what you need to do. Go to the search bar and type a keyword related to your affiliate product. You need to join a couple of groups. Make sure that the groups you join have active members. This is a group that I have already joined, so let me create a post. Don't directly promote your affiliate link. This is what you need to do. This is where you promote your ebook. Add text related to your ebook and then add the ebook. For text, you can just copy the description from the original text of the ebook you downloaded and then slightly modify it. Now, just one post like this will not generate that much of traffic, which also means the money you make will be low. You need to post on multiple groups and try out various versions of the post. So it does take time. If you don't have time, you can use this website I used. You can just select groups that you want to publish your message and then send it out. I will leave the link in the description below. This allows you to post to multiple Facebook groups at once. You can also use multiple Facebook accounts. If you want to avoid being banned, they have features like unique ID, unique links, and so on. This allows you to repeat the same post after some time. You can cover this amount based on the affiliate commissions you earn. For example, I just need to sell this one product to cover the cost of the basic plan. To me, this investment is worthwhile versus the time I have to spend. So it's up to you whether you want to use this automation method or spend time. Depending on the product you choose, it may take a couple of days before you see any results. When it comes to promoting ClickBank products without a website, you must try out various free traffic methods to find the method that converts best. So watch this video next.